Alright, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Logitech MeetUp 2. So stick it out. Let's see what we got. So you see there's the instructions there. And then let's get the actual bar out. Alright, so let's take a look at that. Ooh. Alright, so you see that there. So this used to be screwed on, but now you can just snaps on and off. And I don't know if you can see in there. I got a couple cameras here. So you have, let's see, I gotta take my glasses off because I'm an old man. So you have HDMI, TV, in, USB-C, power, and Ethernet. It's got a manual privacy shutter. So now you can manually open and close. And then you get this little guy right here. And let's take a look in here what we have. It looks like you have a USB-C cable, power, parts and pieces in here, the hardware to mount. Alright, so there's that little guy right there. It looks like a little screw. And then this little guy there. But anyway, there you go. Quick unboxing of the Logitech MeetUp 2. Stay tuned for upcoming demo videos so that you can hear and see for yourself how well this performs. All right, stay tuned.